Yeah.
Tumahan niyo kami.
Wala na ako masabi. Come! Pero ang holiday namin is Monday. So, we call it Easter Monday. Wow, sakto!
Is it light?
Yeah.
Ayan, may kasama siyang mga chocolate pang iba sa loob ng box. Wow! Leon found one! Ate Pen!
Sus naman pala.
Like and subscribe.
Ate, magpakita ka dito. Yeah.
Oh, no. Put it back. Put it back. Pull it.
I know because
That way.
Hey guys, so yon, nandito kami sa People's Park. At eto, pakita mo mama. Yan, naabutan namin yung cherry blossom. Kulay white siya, no ma? Ganda. Ang ganda niya sa personal, no? Ayan, na-tsempohan namin. So yun guys, today is March 21st. Yun. Ito pala yung right timing, no mama? Para maghanap ng mga cherry blossom. Kasi parang pumunta kami dito last year, April na. So parang paubos na siya, no? Ayun. So yun guys, papunta kami ngayon sa playground dito sa People's Park. Kasi sobrang ganda ng weather ngayon. Yan, nakita nyo naman. Ayan. Summer feels na.
Pero malamig.
Oo. Ayun, kahit siya maaraw, malamig pa din. So yun, ano lang kami, pasyal lang ngayong Saturday. So yun,
Tumahan niyo kami.
wala na ako masabi. Ayun, wala namang masyadong topic for today. Ano lang, tingnan natin kung anong mangyayari for today. Pupunta kami sa favorite naming cafe, syempre, yung Zest.
Daming favorite.
Oo. Ayan, pakita natin. Ang ganda mo, oh. Oo, ganda. Ayan, medyo may mga pakalbo pa na puno pero pwede na. Ayan, ayan, ganda. Oh, di ba? This is Ireland. Tapos ayan yung mga daffodils. Bed of daffodils. Ganda. Ayan, papunta na kami ngayon sa playground. Ayan, ito yung playground dito. Come! Leon!
And maybe you need to do a different strategy. What's the part of the challenge? Do it. Hold on to your dear life.
Stop it! Stop pushing it so high! I'm scared!
Maybe it's not too high. Oh.
No! Stop pushing it!
I'm not too dapat niligaw mo din siya. Hindi pwede. Hindi nakita. Sit down ka. Sit down. Sit down.
Is it coffee?
Hindi naman.
One eternity later.
Hey guys, so it's a windy morning.
Hi! We're going to McDonald's for lunch and then we're going to Jetland.
Narinig ka kaya. Ayun, today is Saturday guys. Ano na, April 4, I think. So we are celebrating Easter tomorrow. Pero yun nga, dito sa Ireland, hindi holiday ang Monday, Thursday, and Good Friday. So we had to work. So yun. Pero ang holiday namin is Monday. So we call it Easter Monday. So yun, nag-isang holiday lang. So yun, wala kaming parang long weekend. Yung super long na Lenten season. Pero yun, papunta kami ngayon sa Jetland. Magano kami, Easter Bunny para kay Penpen. Ayun, ngayon na yung last day kasi hindi ko alam bakit walang Sunday. Pero yun, celebrate na namin yung Easter Bunny today. Ayun, samahan nyo kami for today. Hopefully makabook kami kasi sabi ano lang daw, walk-in lang daw pero hindi ko alam kung ano mangyayari. Yan. Hey guys, we're in McDonald's.
McDonald's, yay!
Yan, ganyan ang McDonald's dito sa Ireland.
Mas excited.
Nicole.
Open Open your Happy Meal. Tingnan natin kung anong laman. Ano laman? The fries. Oh, madami. Dito mo lang. Nuggets.
Nugget.
Get your toy.
Toy.
Oh,
Let's
there's a
open.
mystery.
Ito sa box. Ay, sa box.
Gano'n naman yun.
One is
Princess Peach.
Oh, wow, sakto.
Mm.
Can I see?
Ano yan?
Parang ano. Dali lang.
I don't know what this is for.
Parang tayuan. You like it?
Princess Peach.
Kain na, kain na.
I love it.
Hey guys, nandito na kami ano, haba ng pila. Ano, may booking pala. Nung nag-search ako actually maaga nga ako naghanap nito, mga Monday pa. Akala ko mali na punta akong website. Akala ko pwedeng mag walk-in. So yun, pagdating namin dito, kailangan pala mag-book ng online. Pero yun, buti na lang may slot pa sila, nakabayad kami via walk-in din. So yun. Ayun. Kaso ang nakuha namin slot parang after 2 hours pa ngayon. From time ngayon, after 2 hours pa. So, mag-ikot-ikot muna kami dito sa Jetland. Yan, laki niya.
Magkano tayo dance store?
Sige, sige. Ayun, mag-ano muna kami. Pasyal-pasyal.
Paglaki
Habang aantay namin yung time nung kay Pen, Easter Bunny. So, see you later. Ipa-flex pala ni Pen yung kanyang outfit. Dali, talikod. Run. Ay, walk, talikod. Wow. You like your outfit? Nice. Okay guys, kape muna tayo habang nag-aantay.
So your teeth. Parang nangipin-ipin.
At sa akin, matcha. Matcha forever.
Grab a masha. Some for me mistake.
Rapa. Kakaiba.
I'm sharing some.
Nandito kami sa Cafe Sol.
Maiba.
It says,
Uy,
I got
1
this
hour
new
na
book.
lang.
1 more hour, yay! Is it light?
Yeah.
Ayun guys, tapos na kami. Hindi kami nakapag-video sa loob. Pero yun, saglit lang, parang 1 minute lang. Yun naman. Pero pakita mo nakuha mo. Binigyan sila ng Easter Bunny ng chocolate. What's that, Leon? You got chocolate? Where's your chocolate pen? Ayan. Ayan, waiting. Nakapila kami. Waiting for the photos. Leon!
Ayan.
Ayan, tapos na kami guys. Yung price ng photo, 18 euro yung 18 yung una, yung first photo. Tapos kapag pipiprint nila yon, tapos plus pagka nagpa-print ka pa isa, plus 12 euro. Pero merong isa na may USB ito. 40 euro siya, may USB pero may print out na isang photo. So yun ang inabil namin kasi ang gaganda ng mga pictures din. So sayang. Kasi saka hindi rin kami nakapag-video sa loob. So okay na din. Pakita ko yung yung photo. Ano siya, ganun lang. Normal lang. Parang yung yung last time na nagpa Santa Grotto kami. Parang naiba lang kasi Easter Bunny. Parang ganun yung datingan. First time namin, so din, maganda experience. Mama, akin na. Paabot ng photo. At dadan. So, diba? Family with Easter Bunny. Ganyan siya kalaki yun. Ayan. Yun ang aming Easter Bunny celebration, Easter celebration. So baka gawin na naming annual tradition ng magpaganto. Okay na din experience for Pen. Ayun, buti talaga nakapagpa-book kami ng walk-in ng hindi online kasi nung nalaman ni Pen na kailangan pala mag-book, umiyak siya. So yun, ko kanina. So ayun, pauwi na kami. So see you later, bye.
The next day.
Hey guys, so today is Sunday, Easter Sunday na. So katulad ng mga kinaugalian namin in the past, mag-Easter egg hunting tayo. First time ni Leon. Na, Leon. Yeah, say hi. Ah. Ito yung eggs ngayon ni Pen. Isang K-pop Demon Hunter na egg. Tapos, dalawang medyo malaking egg. Ang dalawang small egg dito. Ito kay Leon tayo nakuha niya sa Easter Bunny kahapon. You want it? Tatago pa yan, anak eh. Yan. Pero tatanggalin namin sa box tong 4. Tapos yun, si Penpen nasa taas na nag-aantay. Yung babaing namin siya pagka naitago na namin yung mga eggs. So yun. See you later. Ayun, may kasama siyang mga chocolate pang iba sa loob ng box. Pero I think itong malalaki lang. Itong caramel Cadbury, yan, meron siyang, oh, may mas malit na egg, oh. Ito to. May mas malit na egg. So, total of 6 eggs yung hahanapin ni Pen. Ito naman yung Smarties. May Smarties to sa loob. Ayan, so 6 eggs ang itatago natin. Go, KitKat. Go na.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
How many eggs?
6 eggs.
Oh, you have to find 6
Merong
eggs.
smallest one, anak ah.
What?
Excuse the mess in our house. Oh,
Oh, nakita niya agad yung
you
pinakamalaki.
found the biggest one,
Dapat pala talaga
Papa.
hindi ko
Tinago
bigyan ng
mo.
clue.
Oh, so easy. And how are we gonna get it out?
Papa. Uy, sila yun.
There you go.
That's easy. Papa,
Let Leon,
that was easy for her. Wait.
One.
Where? Where did you find it?
There.
Inside eh. Ano ba yan? Ang daw talaga sobrang
Can you put these
Oh.
here first?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Put everything on the
You
table.
have a basket here.
Oh, okay.
Sabi sa'yo, may hirap
Leon,
na.
Leon, find your egg.
I'll keep one here since it's too big.
Yeah. I'll go find the others. 4 more. 1 for Leon, maybe.
Ah!
Leon, find your egg.
Leon needs to find one.
Ako. Kasi alam ko kung nasa. Leon, find your egg. Ano ba yan? Four more, no?
Wait, why is there a mini one?
Yeah, that's the smallest one.
Can I have chocolate now?
Wow!
You tell me if you want a clue. Ah.
No, no clue.
Ilan na lang ma? Tatlo?
So, trying to find something
It's a bit tricky.
so hard. Is there I swear I just saw one.
Leon, find your egg. Find your egg. Lika, Leon. I'll give you a clue. Come on.
Hey, why are you giving me clue today?
Wala pa siya nakikita ng egg eh. Can I give one to Leon? Okay. Leon, come here, come here. Hey, come here, come here. 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 Wow! Leon found one! Ate Pen! Ah! Here.
Oh my god, that's a story! Looking for that one. That's my favorite.
Leon
Let
found
him
Okay,
have it.
let's place it somewhere else.
Let him hold it
No, let him have it.
because he found it.
You go find the other one.
Two. So one clue is not no more in the kitchen.
No, we're in the kitchen. Is it in the living room?
May
Maybe?
not in this couch area.
Not in
Over there.
It's over there and over the hallway.
the hallway.
We found it.
What?
I found it.
Ma, you're not playing.
Playing back.
Oh, give me.
Joke. I don't have it.
Ding, 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 ding.
Mhm. Oy, pen, not there, not there. Ayoko ng mess.
I thought you found it already. You were so close to it.
I feel like boo.
What's that? The the frog
The
egg.
one from the bunny.
Yeah,
Last one.
Just gonna put this one somewhere.
Sorry for the mess. Ayan na. Pen. Ano ba yan? Ang dali-dali. Oh.
In the hallway.
Nakita mo na ba?
Oo. I saw it. I just saw it.
Yay! You found the last
Which one
one.
is this? Kit Kat.
The Cadbury. Ayan ba yung Cadbury?
Wait, where's the Kit Kat?
Maybe that's a Kit Kat.
Yeah, I think maybe that's Kit Kat.
Naman yan, yan. Naman.
Okay.
Cadbury.
Did you enjoy the egg hunting?
I found those of them, so I win.
It's not a competition.
Okay, which one can I have?
Mama, si Leo nandito pa din.
Here.
Oh, let's open the biggest one. The first one that that Ate Pen found.
Yeah, it was so easy.
Dapat di ako nagbigay ng clue.
Yeah.
Tama.
The K-pop is the
Oh my
special
God,
one.
so big. Akala
Oh
ko,
my.
akala ko ano siya, yung parang plastic. Laki. Oh.
Is that it?
That's it.
There's no other chocolate
May
inside.
may tingy inside. Ano ba yung pen? Kadiri. Duda.
You have to, no, you have to crack it.
Ayan na.
Oh, yeah. It's cracked.
Are you ready? Kinagat ni Pen. Loko. Teka lang. Oh,
Good.
a keychain.
Okay.
Show it to Mama.
Ow, I'm stuck.
It's stuck.
Ano ba yan?
Stuck.
Teka lang. Mahal nito eh.
Yun na yun.
Yan, sige. Makakukulit yung ngipin mo. Ayan na, nabali. Wow! Show it.
Rumi.
Rumi.
I wanna put it in
Ramen.
my bag. I wanna put
Anong
it
tawag
in
dyan,
my
Ben?
bag.
Cup noodle?
Ruby.
Ramyun.
Ramyeon. Rumi ramyeon.
This is our favorite. Can I put this on my
Of
bag?
course. That's a bit expensive for a keychain, ah.
So
Ito muna kainin natin.
Hmm.
Ang dami nating chocolate na
Gusto
naman.
ko maka-open nun.
Actually, hindi lang to yung dapat chocolate niya, pinamigay na iba, ang dami. Saka hindi na ito lahat binili. Yung iba galing sa office, yung iba sa events.
Say by the
Tapos,
beef.
yan. Ang binili lang namin talaga yung K-pop Demon Hunter na mama.
Hmm.
Saka medyo mahal pa siya.
I'm so happy with my
Ayun, that's our Easter event.
Our
Didn't think I'd ever get this far. Didn't think I'd ever find the one. I never thought I'd heal from a broken heart. No, never did I ever think I'd heal these scars. Did you think that on the night we met that you